Welcome to Seasoned Shorts, where food meets fun, facts, and folklore. Today, our animated chef Duey C.K. and his wisecracking peppermill sidekick Peppy are here to refresh your summer with the ultimate lemonade recipe. As the sun blazes outside, there's nothing more satisfying than a cold, tangy lemonade. Ready to dive in? Let's start with the basics: fresh lemons, sugar, and water. But Duey wouldn't be Duey without a twist. For that extra zing, he adds a hint of mint and a splash of sparkling water. First, roll your lemons on the counter to release the juices. Then cut and squeeze them into a pitcher. Dissolve sugar in warm water to create a simple syrup. Mix it with lemon juice and top off with cold water and ice. Add mint leaves and sparkling water for that fizzy, minty finish. Now, while you sip on this refreshing drink, Duey serves up some fun facts. Did you know lemonade dates back to ancient Egypt? Lemonade was first recorded in Egypt around AD 1000, made from lemons, dates, and honey. Over centuries, this citrusy drink traveled through Europe and America, evolving into the beloved summer staple we know today. So, tie on your apron and let's get cooking with Seasoned Shorts, where every recipe is a bite-sized adventure.